Now we're going to learn how to make a mocha latte and other flavored lattes. I'm going to start by putting chocolate syrup into one of these mugs. I like to put the flavoring with the espresso shot because that way it really blends well and you can actually not interrupt the latte art afterwards. So I'm going to put 2.5 pumps in here. And then I'm going to make a caramel flavored latte. And I would just put about 3/4 of an ounce because this syrup is actually pretty sweet. So that should probably be enough for a small one. Then I'm going to pull my shot. The next thing I'm going to do is to stir to make sure that the chocolate blends well with the espresso. And then I'm going to do the same thing with the caramel syrup and the espresso. I'm going to use a bigger pitcher because I'm making 2 lattes. And just like I'm doing a normal latte, I'm gonna fill up pitcher 3/4 full. And then I'm gonna steam it like I would be steaming a normal latte. The moment it starts feeling uncomfortable in your hand, that's when you should stop. Want to make sure again that the chocolate is well mixed with the espresso. And now here we have a delicious mocha latte and a delicious caramel latte.